Good day, mentors and investors. I'm Eman Salazar, founder and CEO of Matchmaster Works, the trusted gig marketplace for Philippine SMEs and the new collar workers. Our mission is to make hiring freelancers fast, precise, and trusted, solving the growing trust gap in the gig economy through AI driven matching, verified profiles, and secure payments. In the Philippines, SMEs make up 99.5% of all businesses, yet most still struggle with short term or project based hiring. For employers, it's slow, risky, and costly, full of fake profiles, delays, and disputes. For freelancers, 73% have experienced delayed or unpaid work, and clients sometimes disappear after delivery. This broken system costs billions in lost productivity and erodes confidence in flexible work. The trust gap now is the biggest barrier to the country's fast growing freelance economy. Matchmaster Works bridges that gap through an AI enabled, verified, and escrow secured hiring platform built specifically for SMEs. Our core features: AI powered precision matching that shortens hiring from weeks to days, verified companies and talent profiles to eliminate fraud and fake accounts, escrow secured payments that guarantee service and fairness for both sides. Unlike Upwork or Fiverr, we are local, affordable, and trust first, built around how Filipino businesses actually hire and pay. The market is massive and underserved. Over 1.4 million SMEs and 2 million freelancers make up about 50 to 70 billion pesos serviceable market in the Philippines alone. Flexible work now contributes to a growing share of GDP and continues to expand post-pandemic. We're starting locally but positioned to scale regionally across Southeast Asia's emerging gig economies. Our MVP beta is live at Matchmaster.works. We've completed our academic validation through my AIM MBA capstone, engaged pilot users through PMAP and MAP networks, and are onboarding freelancers and SMEs for real world testing. Our 2026 goals: 1,000 active users, 1 million peso monthly GMV, and verified traction for seed investment readiness in 2026. We earn from a 10% take rate per project and subscription tiers for repeat SME users. At scale, 5 million GMV, 500,000 monthly revenue, a model proven in global marketplace, but optimized for local affordability and trust. I bring 26 years of HR and workforce tech leadership, having built systems adopted by top Philippine enterprises. Our co-founder, Information, combines deep expertise in AI, fintech, and scaling startup operations. And the timing couldn't be better. 70% of professionals now prefer hybrid or freelance work. 99% of SMEs still lack a secure hiring platform. AI and digital trust infrastructure are ready for mainstream use. Work has changed, and we're building the trusted bridge for that to happen. We are raising 5 million to enhance our MVP, expand partnerships, and accelerate user acquisition. Our vision is to create the most trusted digital work ecosystem in Southeast Asia, where SMEs and freelancers connect, collaborate, and grow through AI, verification, and secured payments. I'm Eman Salazar, and this is Matchmaster Works, the trusted way to work. Thank you.